Okay. Good morning, dear friends and viewers. I am Sidaram here from PVS EXCEL ACADEMY, Virumbagam, that is located in opposite to National Film Theatre and in the Giri apartment complex. Now we are running institution for the past 4 years, and we are also having classes for different types of subjects. For example, spoken English, English grammar, and commerce and accountancy. And also we are doing it for some other guidance for students to learn better speaking language as well as communication. Now the idea is to start this unit or this institution is only to develop the standard of the students or the persons who are working for job, and I am not able to understand it properly. The questions asked by the employer, that's the main problem. Now I am happy to stand before you and give you some vital and important tips and guidance about the importance of human mind and also creating self-confidence among others. It is essential to have a perfect control of the mind, and it has to have a decisive positive approach for diversion and selected activities. As you are aware that persons are fully loaded with different activities in their ways of their respective profession. It is better to have a perfect control in their mind so that tension and stress can be controlled to a great extent. We have seen several persons having series of problems faced by them in their day-to-day matters. Persons must have an awareness, knowledge, memory and interaction. The experiences are not external but only internal, wherein you have to exhibit your awareness by means of a practice and also revising the experience you have with you. The experience has to be achieved only through regular repetition of the work you have already learned earlier. The object of the mind is to create an awareness about the human action with a positive attitude. Though the truthful narration is heard by the ears, the message enters to the mind through the channels of the eardrums. Through the meditation, the mind gains qualified purity. Now, thus the hearing and study make the essence of the mind pure and transparent. The world is a dynamic balance of creation, sustenance and discussion. Now, whenever the balance is disturbed, natural mind restore the equilibrium of the mind. Now, the body is a mere equipment. It is employed by the mind only and the intelligence. To make the mind pure and purified, one must have a deep concentration in subject matter devotionally. If the desire and selfishness are got off, the mind becomes pure. It is the mind that enables you to grasp the meaning of what it is listening and remembers. Again, it is essential that humans must have an inseparable bond with nature. Persons should not have any confused or unwanted thinking in their mind. The control of the mind is very important when any person plans or thinks about a particular subject. There should not be any wrongful thinking in the mind about any subject matter when you are already concentrating on a particular subject. The mind is the intellectual power of the body, and special concentration is always required. Your complete concentration should be only on a particular action. Thought is a manifestation of consciousness. The human mind with its psychology and principle is very complicated. There is no point in finding fault with the mind. Again, I am telling you, we have to understand our mind in such a manner to avoid any other